We're back with Dr. Janice Ong talking about liver cancer again. So, ang liver natin may trabaho. Marami siyang trabaho sa metabolism natin. Pero marami nakakasira ng liver, alcohol, hepatitis B and C, fatty liver disease. Eventually, that can lead to cirrhosis and eventually possibly liver cancer.
Kaya binaha naman tayo ng text messages ngayon.
Yes, marami tayong mga questions this morning.
And the first question came from Ronnie Boy M. Felix. I used to drink 2 bottles of strong beer, 500 ml, strong nga, 3 times a week. Is there a possibility that I will have liver cancer, Doc?
Yes, I think yung ganong kadaming alcohol ay nakakasira na yun ng liver. But the word he used was used to. So, but if you stop drinking, the liver can repair itself at yung damage na nagawa, mawawala din yun.
So it's never too late to stop drinking, mga kasambahay. From Dennis Bantiyag, Kalinga Apayaw, ano po ang magandang supplement para sa hepatitis B?
I think yung segment kanina on good nutrition, I think that's the most important thing for hepatitis B. For all forms of liver disease po, a good diet and exercise, regular exercise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ano naman po ang chance ng survival kapag hepatocellular carcinoma ay stage 4 na?
Yun po, pag stage 4 na po ang liver cancer, mahirap na po yan na sakit kasi ang survival niyan is anywhere from 3 to 6 months. So we need to try to get or diagnose po, detect liver cancer early.
3 to 6 months. Yes. Alright. From 7109, totoo po bang nakakasira ng atay ang madalas na pag-inom ng mga gamot?
Madalas.
Siyempre po, pag hindi natin kailangan uminom ng gamot, huwag uminom ng gamot. Meron po talagang gamot na nakakasira ng atay, pero kailangan po yun ibalanse sa need ng gamot.
Sa benefit na makukuha.
Benefit na makukuha
mataas ang benefit, mababa yung risk, go ahead.
Go ahead,
pwede,
yes.
Meron akong fatty liver, Doc. Ayan. Ano po ang chance na magkaroon ako ng liver cancer?
Kung marami pong may fatty liver. Kung may fatty liver po, pag nag-cirrhosis, pwede pong magka-liver cancer. Pero ang importante is you can decrease your chance for liver cancer if you start to go on a diet, exercise regularly so that the fatty liver can disappear or mawala.
So fatty liver is a reversible condition.
It's reversible
Diet,
as well.
exercise, weight loss.
Yes.
From 8559, I have hepatitis B way back in 1991 tapos nag-negative na po. Meron po bang chance ng reinfection?
Kung nag-negative na po and yung hepatitis B nakuha naturally, malamang meron na po siyang antibodies. It would be important siguro ngayon magpa-check na lang ng antibodies. Kung wala pa, then magpabakuna.
So Doc, we haven't discussed really treatments. Are there treatments available for cirrhosis and liver cancer?
For cirrhosis, it is treatment of the cause of the cirrhosis. Treatment for hepatitis B, avoidance of alcohol, weight loss po para mawala yung fat. Pero yung sa liver cancer, yes, there are treatments now that are becoming available for liver cancer. Siyempre, yung curative po, yung tinatawag na surgery. Yung liver transplant po, ginagawa yon, that's curative also. At yung pong mga ablative o yung sinusunog yung mga bukol, those are also curative.
Doc, may pahabol na question dito. Nakaka-cause ba ng liver cancer pag-inom ng kape? O sobrang pag-inom ng kape siguro ito?
Actually, sa kabaliktaran, meron pong mga pag-aaral na ang kape ay actually protective for the liver. Of course, we're not going to start to recommend that everyone starts to drink coffee, pero meron pong studies that show that liver disease is less among coffee drinkers.
May dadagdag ako, Doc.
Sige.
Yung green bean coffee ay mahusay sa atay. Yung green bean. Kasi wala siyang caffeine. At the same time, yan ang totoong antioxidant talaga. It's non-unroasted coffee.
So thank you very much, Dr. Janice Ong, our hepatologist from the Medical City. We learned a lot this morning. Any parting words sa audience po natin?
Well, I think we need to learn to love our liver. So to prevent liver cancer, we need to live healthy, good diet, regular exercise, avoid excessive alcohol, I will make a plea to everyone to see their doctor, to ask about testing for hepatitis B or C, especially po kung may mga risk factors. In a couple of weeks, our society will be launching an information campaign. Hopefully, if everyone sees it and you like it, paki-like na lang.
And where can our audience find you, just in case they want to consult with you, Doc?
I hold clinics at the Medical City, at the Liver Center of the Medical City. They can just call the trunk line and ask for the Liver Center. I also see patients at the Faculty Medical Arts Building of PGH.
University of the Philippines,
University of the
Philippine
Philippines.
General Hospital. Lastly, Doc, anyone you want to greet po?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Doc, thank you very much, Doc. I'm sure marami pa kami dapat questions, kaya lang wala na tayong oras. And we would like to thank Mr. Walter Ko of Walter Bread for healthy and very, very nutritious bread. For inquiries, please call them at number 535-7320 or visit their website at www.walterbread.com. Walter Bread is available in all SM stores nationwide. And also, we would like to thank Fiber C, the all-natural and the only real vitamin C, and it also helps in boosting our immune system. You may contact the numbers 0925-883-5760 for Sun subscribers, and for Globe, 0927-544-1786.
And we're inviting you all to watch a Song of Praise Music Festival Year 3 Grand Finals on September 23, 2014. Magkita tayo sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. That's at 7 o'clock in the evening. Mamayang hapon po, UNTV Cup this afternoon.
Oh, happy birthday pala sa aking brother nasa States. Birthday niya bukas, September 22. And good luck and congratulations sa aking sister na magkakaroon na ng anak. Magkakaroon na kami ng bagong member ng pamilya namin. And hello to my mom and dad in Iloilo at saka na lahat ng kamag-anakan natin. And hi to Ayan.
Good morning to Miss Josephine Gomez, my voice tutor who's watching us right now. And to Dr. Annabel Ditan who's also watching. Hi to my mom and dad. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo mga kasambahay, be safe and stay healthy. Magkita po ulit tayo next week dito lamang sa
Doctors on TV.